Hey, slow girls. All right, we are going to make a helicopter, so watch this. Turn my paper sideways, then I'm going to fold it up to where it looks equal on the top and the bottom. So both these sides look pretty close to equal, and then I'm going to crease it. Okay. Then I'm going to cut along this crease. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to cut down that crease. I'll put this away because I don't need it right now. So now I have a long, skinny rectangle. Now I'm going to fold it again. And again, just halfway up, I'm going to try to make the top section and the bottom section pretty close to equal. They don't have to be perfect, but pretty close. And crease it. Then I'm going to fold it over again and crease it. So when I open it, I have how many sections? 1, 2, 3. All right, now on this part right here, I'm going to take my pencil and draw a line down the middle, just like that, and then I'm going to cut that line. Oh, I said the other side. So I got my legs. I'm going to fold one forward, crease it really good, and go the other side and fold this side backwards and crease it really good. So we got two opposites, kind of like our tabs, right? Now, on the other side, this top part, I am going to cut a line, but just a little bit, just right here. So I'm going to draw a line from here to there. See that? It's a little bitty line on my crease. On the other side, I'm going to do the same thing, from there to there. So I have two lines right there, and I'm going to cut those two lines. So I'll snip a little right there, and snip a little right there. All right, now I'm going to fold where I just cut. So I'm going to take and fold it up and crease it really good. Okay, go the other side. Fold that side up and crease it. Now, I'm going to take a paper clip. You don't have to have this, but it should help. And you're going to stick the paper clip on the top, little nose. This is going to be the nose of our helicopter. Hope I get it on there. So just like that. So now you have a paper helicopter. And then you're going to hold it from this part.